In this video, you will learn how to make money by staking Ton on TonStaker.com. Okay, and it will also serve as a beginner's guide, a guide on how to use TonStaker. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so there's a campaign by why is this important? Why is staking important? There's a campaign by the TonChain team. Okay, and look at it. April 1st, open league season 115 million in Ton for community rewards. So the TonChain team have allocated $115 million in Ton to be given as reward, to be given as reward to those that participate in that carry out different tasks, okay, from developers or to stakers to airdrop miners and a lot of other people. But let's really look at those persons or those categories of people that will receive rewards. So the first is the league, which is the Gen Dev. So this is the developers, those that build application on TonChain. Okay, let's look at the second one, token mining. People that participated in mining activities on TonChain. One of the examples is the Notcoin. Okay, if you mine Notcoin, then you are in for a huge reward. Then Quest and Airdrop, those that participate in activities for Airdrop, they will also earn rewards. And liquidity boost, pool boost, charge ready for some crazy APR. Some league projects get 50k ton. So this simply means those that stake, okay, because when you stake your token or your coin, you are providing liquidity. Okay, so those that stake their coin, okay, they will have crazy APR. They will also have reward. Then the question now is, how do you stake your Ton so that you can earn an impressive APR? Okay, so let's go to TonStakers.com. So we are on TonStaker.com. So the future of Ton staking, liquid staking protocol, and TonStaker. So this simply means this is a platform where you stake, okay, where you stake your Ton so that you can be part of the people contributing to the security, okay, of that chain. And in exchange, you earn a reward, okay. When the pool that you are, okay, that you are staking your coin with, when that pool is nominated to validate the transaction, the fee that comes from the transaction is shared with you. Okay, they shared part of the validator or the nominator shared part of the fee with you for staking. Okay, you can see we have 61,440 stakers already, and the annual percentage is 3.27%. And they are currently, okay, $204.5 million total value is the total value staked. Okay, so let's now go on and stake. Okay, so let's look at staking. So basically it has two functions. You can stake and unstake, and it has your account, which is three. Okay, let's quickly look at the data before staking. So in this place you see the available, what you have in your wallet, okay, to stake. Or this is a new wallet, so I don't have anything there. Okay, estimated yearly yield 3.27% APY. This how much you earn for staking. Okay, then these are the details that you should know. This is the APR, this is the interest you earn. Okay, this is the total staked on the platform, 35 million ton. This staker 61,140 ton. This is the market cap for Ston. Like this is the staking coin. When you stake this coin is what you'll be saying. Okay, $204 million, $204 million. Yeah. Okay, instant available liquidity, exchange rate, pool address, and so forth. So now let's move ahead and stake. So I want to stake 100 ton. So once you type it in, you come to this place and click on stake. You can see once you click on stake, so it will bring up your wallet. Okay, so it will bring up your wallet, and you confirm. So I'm not ready to do that, but that is simply how. So now after staking, and you want to unstake, you come to this place and type the amount of, okay, I want to unstake 100 ton that I staked. So I'll click on this, then I'll confirm it on my address. Confirm it here. I'll confirm it on my address, but being that I don't have anything to unstake, so there's no need. So this is how to stake and to unstake. And the account, this is where you log out, and this is where you see, okay, the amount. This is your address, like this address, okay, and this is where you see your balance, how much of ton you are staking, okay, how much of ton you are staking. And so that is where to get the information. So if you find this content, find this video very helpful, okay, kindly subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share with your community. There's a video here that teach you that will show you how the top coins on Ton chain that you need to hold. Kindly check it out and watch it, subscribe and comment. Thank you and have a great day.